So now let us see some other judgment. Anvar PV versus PK Basheer. This was the very important and glaring case. That point in time I was in CBI as a joint director, and I know the heat of this case, because this case actually talk about that in every case when you have seized electronic evidence, then certification under section 65B is mandatory. Earlier it was not, although law was there, but it was not under implementation. So Basheer case made the 65B certification mandatory, and there was hue and cry in a very big way. This was decided by Justice Kurian Joseph and Justice R.F. Nariman by the two-judge bench. So it says mandatory submission of section 65B certificate. This was the ratio. But subsequently, one another case was actually Navjot Sadhu, State NCT of Delhi versus Navjot Sadhu. This case actually diluted this matter. It says that it may be there or not, it is not necessary. That was the reason. So this case actually Anvar says that Navjot Sadhu case is not a accepted ratio. So it actually the Supreme Court held that digital evidence is fundamentally different from traditional documentary evidence because it can be altered, copied, fabricated or manipulated without leaving visible trace. So NCT Delhi versus Navjot Singh allowed not sustainable, since electronic evidence to be admitted through ordinary secondary evidence principle even in absence of strict compliance. So it says that Navjot Singh Sadhu case was not sustainable, or you can say that ratio was abrogated. Okay. So section 65B certificate becomes mandatory. You can just remember that PV Basheer case, PV Anvar versus PK Basheer case was important. Why? It has made 65B certification mandatory.